I'm gonna go out to a job site wearing this. I'm gonna take photos and build a report in CompanyCam without taking this off.
I've got my fake CompanyCam project. Now I need to start taking pictures. So I'm gonna close this, doink. And I'm gonna start the camera. And I'll just take some pictures. You might be in it, we'll see, Aiden. Okay, that's a picture of the fireplace. There's a bunch of that kind of stuff. With these awesome windows. I need to get some of this done. Okay, little bedroom hallway. All right, okay, perfect, it's still open. So I wanna upload photos. Choose from my photo library. I just took all those photos. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can see the memes I made earlier. And me deadlifting. All the photos are in here. I wanna go to pages because I wanna build this update. I'll start with just a blank page, keep it simple. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna click on the title. I'm just gonna talk to it. Luke's home build update. We'll make that a title and we'll do living room, boom. So I'm gonna add the photos from the living room, okay. You know what? I'm gonna add all the photos because that I can do easily. Boom, now I've got all the photos. I wonder if I can drag this photo around. Oh. I can, oh my gosh. Okay, that's really cool. Get out of my face. Now I need another section. Now I'm gonna explain a little bit about what's going on. The living room is dry-walled and the walls have been mudded, but the ceiling is not mudded. Okay, now the problem is it wrote that whole thing as a title, which I can sort out right now. Okay, and then the bedroom. What should we say about the bedroom? You know what, I don't want to say anything about it because this is becoming tedious. But you could argue that this is done. It automatically saves, so it's all saved up there. I'm gonna click share and it's gonna make this link. So then I can copy this link and I can share it to anyone. I'm gonna go to a new tab and then I'm gonna go to up here and I don't know. I don't know how to paste. I'm gonna paste. There we go. Boom, there it is. This is what you can send around. Luke's home build update. You can click on the photos and obviously if they're on their phone, they can just swipe through those. Actually, it's pretty cool. I'm swiping through these photos. That's really slick because it doubles as a gallery. Now, these are a lot easier to make on your phone or on the computer. We have successfully made an update on the Vision Pro. We did it. It's right there. It's right next to Kento, the camera guy. You can't see it, but trust me, it exists. What else should we do?